Hello. If during an interview I was asked to describe my ideal kindergarten classroom and show how learning was taking place, I would tell the interview that my classroom reflects the 4 different building blocks of learning, which are belonging, engagement, well-being, and expression. Furthermore, I would say to the interview that my classroom reflects the different 3 themes of learning, such as the educator, the student, and the overall environment. I would explain to the interviewer how the classroom is broken down or constructed into different spaces that would reflect each of these 4 frames. This includes such as a space such as a class carpet or meeting space, group tables, science corners, quiet spot for reading, resting, and different play areas. The classroom will include a variety of different activities and be structured in a way that will reflect different maturity levels, behavioral attitudes, and learning methods. To begin, I would show the interviewer that learning is taking place when the students first enter the classroom at the beginning of the day. The entering the classroom would be a fun, creative, and well-designed space since it will create emotional ease among the students. This well-designed and colorful space includes things such as posters that say hello or welcome students in a variety of different languages to display diversity among students and their families. This relates to the belonging frame. Furthermore, I would also include decorations for different holidays or seasons which can be constantly changed and ongoing. There would also be a template which every student writes their name and designs it so that they all get to know each other and they all know that they belong to this classroom. I could also begin the class with a morning song or sing-along so that it creates a morning routine and gets the kids ready for the day. This relates to the self-regulation frame. Furthermore, what I like about the welcoming space is that I could ask the students to help me decorate it. Such as I wouldn't just go get store-bought materials, we could all decorate it together. I do a fall theme, a Christmas theme, and so on and so forth. Going forth, the school day would then be broken down into a bunch of different routines and activities, since this will provide structure, focus on different aspects of student learning, and promotes the well-being frame and the building frame, since students will encounter a variety of different learning methods every single day. The class will have space for independent learning, since expression is important, but it will be centered around areas for group work or small partners, so children can help each other share and make friends. Areas for this will include locations for building, play theater / a puppet area, puzzles, art projects, and different reading material. There will be always a wide array of activities for students to work on. In hopes of increasing emotional stability, I, as a teacher, will have a combination of group work through show and tell. Every day, a different student can bring an object into class to talk about, such as a toy, book, a picture, an object, and share this with this class. This activity will display all 4 frames and also bring the family objective into the classroom, since they are bringing something from outside of school, their home, into the school. Inside of the classroom, I will also display student work by displaying artwork or other material that they create, so it helps build cohesion among the class and the students. Student pride is very important, and it also gives another chance for the students to connect with somebody else in the class, that they can appreciate their artwork or their projects. I believe this is really a part of the well-being frame. The classroom will also feature a science corner. Every student can plant seeds in a small clay pot and decorate or paint this pot accordingly. This makes for a good lesson, and students can bring their pots home after the plants begin to grow and sprout. Now, during the interview, I will attempt to explain that things I try to avoid is having a long period of stagnation, and want the routine of the day to be in a constant flow. Students will participate in numerous well-structured activities every single day. Part of this routine will include a cleanup period or an everything in its place time to create a sense of unity both among the students and staff, and this will further promote the 4 frames. I will also add different times that reflect student makeup, like snack time, followed by outdoor play time, followed by a quiet time or a quiet reading period. During an interview, it would be evident that learning is happening based on the structure of the classroom and the routine set every day for each student by the teacher in its overall environment. As previously mentioned, the classroom contains activities that fit the four frames, and these activities focus on different aspects of student learning. Reading and writing exercises promote literacy. The plant science corner, studying puzzles and building blocks, promote innovating and problem solving. The playtime and show and tell display belonging and contributing, while the quiet or kind of quiet reading time or cleanup period all show different types of self-regulation. This is also evident during the outdoors time. The classroom will be constantly changing throughout the day, but class participation will always be present, and students will always be learning.